The Flypit bedding robot supplies fresh bedding at regular intervals to provide a dry place to lie and to improve hygiene in the stalls, decisive factors for optimum animal welfare. And the work required on the farm is reduced considerably as a result of this automated system. The robot reaches every corner of the barn on rails that are mounted in the roof. The rails are easy to install and are secured with safety chains. Inclines and descents up to 10% are no problem. The system is perfect both for new buildings and existing barns. The Flypit's routine bedding runs can be precisely timed to the needs of the animals in each stall. The quantity of bedding can be set specifically for each pen. This effective utilization of the bedding material brings about a significant reduction in costs. A unique feature is the colored LED status indicator. This lets the farmer see at a glance whether everything is working properly. Any dust generated can be removed using a special extraction system. Various technical features in the Flypit, such as spreading plates, conveyor belt, scales, and guide plates, enable perfect and efficient distribution. The only work required is to fill the MyPort storage box with round or square bales, which are then automatically chopped using a patented chopping system and straw screen. The straw is fed to the Flypit by a conveyor belt or directly from the MyPort. The storage box can also be filled manually with square bales using a front loader. The Flypit can be programmed and operated easily and conveniently using the Wasserbauer 10-inch touch display control unit. It can also be controlled using a PC, tablet, or smartphone, and if needed, Wasserbauer technicians can perform maintenance on the system remotely. Fresh straw several times a day for optimum animal welfare using the Flypit bedding robot.